If you're stumped on where to get started, we've taken great care to put together a kit with our essentials. I first like to start with my Flawless Sulfate-Free Cleanser. This is a cleanser that contains salicylic acid to rid the skin of excess oil. It doesn't contain any sodium lauryl sulfates, and so it won't overstrip the skin. You'll massage this in for 1 to 2 minutes. Do wet the skin in order to create some suds. Now it won't suds up like cleansers you're used to because it doesn't have any sodium lauryl sulfates, and that's a good thing. When you're finished, you'll remove. And you'll pat the skin dry. You can do a double cleanse if you feel like the skin needs additional cleansing. If you're wearing makeup, for example, if you've been sweating, you've recently gone to the gym, or had some exercise. Since it's nighttime and I'm removing my makeup at the end of the day, I'm going to apply my iconic Corrective A Complex. And this product contains a retinoid technology that stimulates new collagen growth. It also doubles as an eye treatment. You can put it right on top of the eyelids. And I like to press it into my skin, especially in the areas where I feel like I need it most. My upper eyelids. Any areas too where you have skin redness, this product will aim to target. Next, I'll finish with the C3 peptide. And this is my daily moisturizer with vitamin C. It can be used at nighttime, it can be used at daytime, it can be used anytime that the skin feels like it needs a dose of hydration. And the cool thing about it is it actually eliminates an eye treatment because it doubles as one. And that's it for my nighttime regimen. There are other products that you can use if you really want to supercharge your results. We'll start here and I'll introduce you to those next time.